Alright, we're back on Wednesday, and Bitcoin is still trailing up technically. I know the most markets look down, but they're all mostly holding their uptrend still. Now, Bitcoin did come into this large weekly trend, downtrend. So that could be a reason for it to continue moving down. And I originally expected Bitcoin to hit this major support here, so I think that's still what could happen long term, but there could still be a few more bounces and tests of this trend zone before it ultimately falls down. So I think I'll still mostly look for longs today. I have a lot of watches to get through, so try and hurry and turbo through these. This is the one trade I did take on Monday. It's a perfect trade, although I hastily moved my stop because I had to go to bed. So I just dropped it like right here after this candle closed, and I was just hoping it wouldn't take it out. But yeah, ultimately it would have been a great trade, but I still did profit, so not gonna complain about that. Moving on to DOT, we have it broke this resistance zone. Now it's testing it as support. So we're waiting to see if it'll close accumulation in order to take a long. And also with that, we do have this large weekly trend that is trying to hold the price up. Mana. I brought Mana up I think Monday, because it was having this nice uptrend against this resistance zone. It ultimately did break, retest failed. Now it's back down here at the trend zone. I want to see if it will recover for potential long. Atom is at this large support zone here. Want to see if it will bounce and take a long. Bitcoin Cash. It's retesting this support zone. Again, want to see it close accumulation and take a long. It's in this nice little range here, so could be easy profit target there. Snacks I like because it's obviously way up despite the rest of the market. I like finding these cryptos that are trading against Bitcoin. I feel like those are very good trades to make. So I do want to find a long here, although I did miss this perfect one here. But Quantum, same kind of thing with snacks. There's quite a few of these today with these wedge patterns. And Quantum already broke this support, this resistance zone. It's retesting potential long there. Same thing here with Wi-Fi. It's retesting this trend zone for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time. It might be a good spot to long if it closes accumulation. And then this resistance zone has been tested. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 if you count that. So if we long here, it could bounce some more. Could take profits up here. But if it holds this pattern, then this is a safe long closing accumulation, because then it won't ever get, I'm saying, back to my entry here. So I'd enter here, it'd bounce, 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 bounce. And then if it gets to this point and it decides to drop, I can still exit on trend and still get out and profit, or exit in resistance zone. But yeah, I do expect these patterns to break in the trend's favor. Usually, of course, that doesn't always happen, but anyway, yeah, we got a lot of these patterns going on today. If we look at algo, same kind of thing, although it's getting tighter, so it's not as like worst case scenario if we just exit there. It's not as much of a profit as Wi-Fi, but still worthy of a watch. Ethereum, there's this perfect retest here. If this closes accumulation, I'd like to buy into a long. And then Zcash, same thing. This looks like a break and retest of this resistance zone. And it looks like it's gonna bounce. And Sol is same thing. Break and retest. Looking for a long. So there's a ton of long setups today. I know the market looks red, and I try to say stick with the trend, but the trend is still up. It's just had this huge dump candle. It's literally just this candle that's making it red. So anyway, that's all for today. We'll leave it there.